Hello guys, what's up? It's Aeolynx here doing another Bitconnect video. It's been, when did I do this reinvestment? So I did it on the 29th, so it's been 3 days today. Today is the 2nd. As you can see, I have a total investment of $110, including that initial $100 investment as well as the reinvestment of $10. And what I'm going to do today is I'm going to invest another $130 into Bitconnect. Just because I've been seeing these amazing returns right here. Go to the lending wallet. Look at this. It's been every day. Like the past 2 days have been extremely low. This right here has been 50.54. This has been 0.19, so very close to zero, but I'm still getting a free 19 cents return on my money. And here's that $10 investment, just brings in 2 cents. That's fine. So that's 21 cents for yesterday. If I did another $130, that'd be another 20 cents or so. And I said I was going to do $100 investments each month, so going to stick to my word there. As you can see, the past 2 days hasn't been that good, just because Bitcoin has kind of been steady, and then it went up and hit 11,000. We got this one for tomorrow, but this is today's. So tomorrow it's going to be a good day. Right now, I don't think it's moving that much. Yeah, it's not moving a lot right now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and make the investment. Let's go ahead and lend. Let's put in 130. I believe that's enough. Yes. And let's accept the terms. And this is how you invest. If you didn't know, you have to deposit Bitcoin. To do that, let me go ahead and show you. Deposit Bitcoin, you would send to this address. Once you get it in the account, you would go to the BCC exchange to exchange it for the Bitconnect wallet. Let's go down here. All you would do is you would click all, and then you would click buy Bitconnect coin. And once it's sold and bought, then you will get it sent to your Bitconnect wallet. Once that happens, all you have to do is do this: lend Bitconnect, and then 130. You have read the terms of use. Pay with Bitconnect wallet. Confirm. Success. You have lent $130 to Bitconnect trading bot. Okay, let's go ahead and look. Let's go ahead and refresh. Hopefully my mic's picking up. Yeah, it looks like it is. And there we go. The $130 investment. Oh, whoops. Let's go back down. So now total investment should be $240. And I don't think I'll get the interest rate of 1.24 for today. I will get it tomorrow at 12:47.46. So I'll get the interest rate for tomorrow. I don't think it's going to be that big from what it looks like. I mean, it could change. I don't know why I did that. But the real-time interest chart isn't looking too good. It's almost a zero, like 0.01. But you'll have those days. So yep, that was the video for my second investment of $130 and the total being $240 total investment. Also showing you how to do so. If you have any questions, please comment below, or any comments you have about the platform, and I'll respond to that. I'll also include my email in the description if you want to email me, if you'd prefer to do it that way. I'm thinking about doing a giveaway, but that's to come in another video. This is just a little short update video. Let's go ahead and pull up Bitcoin, see what it's doing real quick. Bitcoin right now is floating around that $10,800 to $11,000 mark, which is insane. So that's where we're at with Bitcoin. Yeah, that's all I have, guys. Thanks for watching. Please like the video and subscribe. I'll also leave my referral link in the description if you want to use me as a sponsor. That's up to you. I don't need anyone to. As you can see, total earned just from my $100 investment is $11 in 11 or 12 days. I would prefer it just to be lending profit, just so I can show those numbers without referrals. I think that'll be really good. So, yep. Thank you guys for watching, and stay tuned for the next video. I'm thinking about doing a giveaway, so watch out for that video as well. Be sure to comment below and like the video and subscribe. Thank you for watching.